this is kind of my birthday week and my birthday month. I have a really special offering for you on my actual birthday. But this week we have something super fun we decided to do, which is I'm sharing with you my favorite drink. And you guys know me, like I don't just say a bunch of stuff that I don't really do. Like I legit do this every morning, and I wanted to share it with you and give you guys a gift on my birthday. And the super cool thing is I'm having all the ingredients flown in I'm celebrating with my family. All I wanted for my 50th birthday was a family reunion of my mother's side. So they're Bakkers is my mother's maiden name. So a family reunion of all of the Bakkers is what I wanted for my 50th birthday. So all my aunts and uncles and many of my cousins are flying in to the Mississippi Gulf Coast, and we're gonna be celebrating with a very traditional, gluten-free, dairy-free, Myers Way approved shrimp boil. And so that's what I'll be doing on my actual birthday on Saturday with all my family. I will be there. And many of you all know this unfortunate news. One of my cousins on my dad's side passed away very unexpectedly this week from a heart attack. And so turns out I'm going to have a little bit of my father's family reunion as well on Sunday. I'll be going to a funeral. But back to happier things, which is that for my birthday, I'm having all these ingredients flown in so we can drink these drinks at my birthday as well. So let me tell you what I do and what a very special thing that I have for you guys for my birthday, which is my favorite drink, which comprised of, and I'm gonna go into why all these are amazing, collagen, Leaky Gut Revive, and organic greens. And I'm gonna talk about each one of these and why I love them and why I put them all in our new tumbler, Amy Myers MD tumbler. So everybody at my birthday party is gonna get a tumbler, and we've flown in all these ingredients, and the bartender is gonna be making these drinks as well as a few cocktails for my birthday party. And then I'm gonna go live, and we're all gonna be drinking our drinks and holding our tumblers. So you don't wanna miss out. You wanna be one of the people who has one of these tumblers as well. So come on over to my store and get this and drink this with me. So I'm gonna make one now, and I'm gonna tell you all the greatness about why I drink this every morning. So as I'm making it, I'll be talking to you. So as you have slept, you've gotten dehydrated, and then you've pretty much cleared out your stomach because you haven't eaten anything in 8, 10, 12, 14, depending on what time you have dinner, hours. So you wake up and your cells are kind of like starving. You've heard, you know, wake up, drink some water with lemon because that helps detoxify you and replenish your cells. So this is even better. So you're replenishing your cells and you are healing a leaky gut at the same time. So I like to take my tumbler, I put in the collagen first, and you really do need you can put in any of the 3 ingredients in whatever order you want, but you do need to follow this instruction, which is not to put in the water first. So I put in a scoop of the collagen. So you all know that our little villi that are what hold our gut together with the tight junctions are made up of collagen. And as we get older, like myself turning 50, after 40, your collagen, you start losing more collagen than you can produce. And so people always like comment on my hair, my nails. Well, this is from drinking collagen virtually every day. So even if you don't currently have leaky gut and you are healthy and whatnot, you know, I do this because we live in a toxic world. We're being bombarded with foods that we eat, you know, toxins that we get exposed to. Even if you're living a really, really healthy, you know, pristine life, they're just out there in the environment and we cannot get away from them. So I just use it as a preventative measure. So I put in the collagen, then I put in a scoop of our organic greens, certified organic. There are 14 different greens in here. We have broccoli, we have kale, we have lots of things to help with inflammation. We have ginger, we have ashwagandha to help with stress. So, and the really important thing, not only about our greens powder, that it is certified organic, but we don't have any of the gluten-containing greens. So many greens powders out there have barley grass, wheatgrass. You know, many people will tell you that there's no gluten in those things, but I've had a lot of people react. So I was when I created this, wanted to be very cognizant of having absolutely nothing that could even possibly contain gluten in here. We just wrote an article about how, you know, greens can really help you maintain good, healthy blood pressure. So it's really important. And this is just awesome, amazing fuel to be getting into your cells first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So on an empty stomach, all of this is just going to get absorbed so quickly, and you're going to feel amazing. So you can have great hair, great skin, great nails, a healthy gut, and vibrant, excited cells in the morning. So this is why I drink it, and why many people are claiming that I do not look like I am about to be 50. And I've had absolutely no work done. I barely have on any makeup because I can't put on any makeup. So this is me au natural, just living the good life. And then Leaky Gut Revive. This is my absolute favorite product. So we love this product. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, it's pretty much flavorless, and it has so much in here to help with leaky gut. So the main ingredient is L-glutamine that helps to rejuvenate the cells in your gut. But we have arabinogalactan that helps to secrete your immune cells, and there are slippery elm, and just a number of ingredients in here that help you produce mucus, which helps to reestablish that gut barrier. So, and the greatest thing is, it is virtually tasteless. So what you end up tasting in this drink is the greens powder, which is so good, while you're also getting all this really healthy gut benefits. Okay, so I just put a scoop of collagen, I put a scoop of organic greens, and I put a scoop of Leaky Gut Revive into your double-walled stainless steel AMMD tumbler, and thanks to my designer Brian for our new logo that looks awesome. So then what I do is I put water. I typically will put room temperature water and then ice. Our filter right now broke while we were gone, so I'm using the filter out of the fridge. So it's okay, but you just don't want your water to be too cold, or else the collagen might congeal in there. So that's the reason why you want to add this first, then that, and then I add ice. And I do think it's really important to add the ice because it just tastes like so much more refreshing and yummy. And certainly if you're in the South like us, and it's 105 every day, you definitely want that ice in there. So our ice maker is having a problem, and they're coming today too. So not the best day for me to be making this. But anyway, here we go. I put in water. And then you can just mix it up with a spoon. You can put it in a shaker bottle if you want. I have one of these handy dandy things that I love to use. So I'm just gonna mix it up that way. But it honestly just mixed with the spoon if that's what you wanna do, or you certainly can do a shaker bottle. But you do definitely want to mix it kind of right away, particularly if you use colder water, just so that that collagen does not start to congeal and do what it's meant to do. And then I put in some ice. So I'm going to do that now. Excuse the noise, and I don't know how well the ice maker will work here. It's a little, it's working. All right. So here you go. And it comes with a cute green top to match our AMMD or Amy Myers MD green. And then I'm a huge fan of stainless steel straws. And there you go. So Elle will drink this too. It's like so good. So you're getting fuel. I mean, let's just talk about all of the things that you're getting. And this, frankly, for some people could be breakfast. I mean, there are many days that this kind of is my breakfast. So you are getting protein from the collagen. You're getting gut healing benefits from the collagen. It's getting absorbed very quickly because you're just putting it in water and you've waken up with an empty stomach. Then we have the organic greens powder, where you're getting all your nutrients and micronutrients, vitamins, from and antioxidants from the greens. There's some adrenal healing properties with the ashwagandha in there, some anti-inflammatory properties with the ginger and the turmeric in there. And then we are having Leaky Gut Revive, which really helps with healing up and sealing those tight junctions. And so you get proteins, you get, again, those micronutrients from the greens, and then gut healing properties from the Leaky Gut Revive. So, I mean, and then when you taste it, it tastes amazing. You're gonna feel energized. You're gonna feel great. So head on over to my website if you're interested. Again, I just want to say thank you all so much. I will probably get a little teary-eyed here. The overwhelming just response and support and love that I've gotten from you guys as I've been dealing with a very serious eye infection and the death of a family member. I mean, it's been outstanding. I've read all your comments and all your instant messages, so I really, really appreciate it. It's frankly the best birthday gift that you could give me, is that just all your prayers and healing vibes, that that my eye gets better, that I get to travel home and get to be with my family so that Elle can meet her extended family that she hasn't met many of. So that's really, as you age, you probably know things are not important. People are important. Your health is important. And you guys in my community are so important. So thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take advantage of this because it's really delicious. I'm going to head out and finish drinking this and get on with my day.